Ever wondered how much Beam you can actually hold in your wallet before facing restrictions? You know, that feeling when you're about to make a big transaction and suddenly worry about hidden limits. Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam Wallet and uncovering the truth about those pesky limits. Beam, the privacy-focused cryptocurrency, offers a unique experience with its focus on user anonymity. But does this anonymity come at a cost? Are there limitations on how much Beam you can store in your wallet before you're required to go through the verification process? Let's find out. The good news is, Beam Wallet does not impose strict deposit limits for unverified users. You can receive and store a significant amount of Beam without undergoing the verification process. This flexibility is a major advantage, allowing users to explore the Beam ecosystem and experience its privacy features without immediate hurdles. Exploring the benefits of unverified use. This lack of initial restrictions provides several key benefits. Easy onboarding. New users can easily start interacting with Beam without facing immediate bureaucratic hurdles. This lowers the barrier to entry and encourages exploration. Enhanced privacy. Unverified users retain a higher degree of anonymity, aligning with Beam's core value proposition of privacy-preserving transactions. Flexibility and freedom. Users have the freedom to experiment with Beam and its features without being constrained by early deposit limits. Understanding the verification process. While unverified use offers flexibility, it's important to understand the verification process. Beam Wallet offers a voluntary verification system. This process involves submitting some basic personal information to enhance security and comply with regulatory requirements. Benefits of verification. Increased transaction limits. Verified users may experience higher transaction limits and potentially faster processing times. Enhanced security. Verification adds an extra layer of security to your account. Improved customer support. Verified users may have access to more comprehensive customer support options. Beam Wallet provides a user-friendly experience with minimal initial restrictions. You can comfortably store and transact with a substantial amount of Beam without undergoing immediate verification. However, for those seeking higher transaction limits and enhanced security features, the voluntary verification process offers a seamless path forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.